Hello ancestors, welcome to your makeup tutorial. By the end you should be looking like this, so let's get started. You're going to need some baby powder. White face paint is optional, but just for a base, I got this one at Ulta for $5 and this one at Target for about $1. Black face paint is also optional, but black eyeshadow is not. Black or gray eyeshadow, you will need that. You'll also need some cotton rounds, which will do a really good job of picking up the baby powder and putting it on your face, and hairspray in order to set it all in place, or makeup setting spray if you prefer that. So first I'm going to take my face moisturizer and I'm going to take a lot of it just on my hands after I make sure my hair is all back. So I'm taking a lot of it and I'm putting it everywhere. You want it all over your face, across your eyes, back to your ears, down your neck, whatever is visible with your costume. The reason we're doing this is to provide a nice, tacky, sticky base for the baby powder to stick to, and also to provide some moisture to our skin because the baby powder is really going to dry it out. I'm taking my cotton pad with my baby powder, and actually I don't recommend doing this because the whole pattern on the cap of the baby powder actually kind of transferred over to the cotton pad and it made a weird pattern or texture on my skin. So now we're going to start smacking. You really want to smack this pad into your face. Don't swipe it on there because you'll just rub the baby powder off. Also, it will get all over you. And also try not to breathe this in as much as you can. So what I decided to do is I laid down a tissue and poured my baby powder out onto that so I could really coat the side of my cotton pad evenly and that way get the most coverage possible onto my face. So go everywhere, go down your neck, across your eyelids, back to your ears. What's funny about this is my hands aren't really a different color than this. But we're going for pale, not for absolutely white. But I'm pale to start with. I'm taking this black face paint, which again is optional, and I'm running that across my eyes with my fingers very haphazardly. This is not a very clean, difficult makeup. It's very haphazard and very quick and dirty. I'm also taking this in the contours of my cheekbones. If you're going to use black face paint, what I highly recommend is actually applying the black face paint before the baby powder. So you put your moisturizer on, do the black face paint in your contours, blend it out, and then do the baby powder over it because we want a gray color, we don't want a black color. So in an effort to blend it out, I picked up a cotton pad and started rubbing, which took off all the baby powder, but that was fixed because I just smacked some more on and then I got that nice gray color. I'm taking a big fluffy face brush and my black eyeshadow and going in and doing some creepy contouring. And that also kicks off a lot of the baby powder, but go in and reapply as much as you need to. And don't be afraid to use your hands or your fingers. I'm now taking an eyeshadow brush and really going in and setting that black eye makeup and doing some contour touch-ups. Also going down my nose and around my face. Going back in with more baby powder to get that more gray color. I'm taking my liquid eyeliner and I'm going to take that on my top lid. You don't have to be too neat with this because your whole eye is black. That's the great thing about this, is if you mess up your eyeliner, no one can tell. Now for the bottom waterline and for underneath my eyes, I'm taking a pencil eyeliner. Please don't put liquid eyeliner in your waterline. It burns and it will not stay there. We really want that dark ring around our eyes, so make sure you do the waterline. Taken some super black mascara. I believe this one's from L'Oreal. Top and bottom lashes. You'll see what a difference mascara makes with this makeup. And also, if you have decided that you would like to wear false eyelashes, this will be the point that you would put them on. I'm taking my black eyeshadow and a smaller brush and going in and darkening my eyebrows because you'll see that they actually really got lost and coated in baby powder. And you don't want to lose your eyebrows. Those are a really nice defining, framing feature. So I'm just go through and define them a little bit more. And then what you'll see me do is I take my mascara, I wiped off most of the excess, and then I just ran it through my brows for some color and hold. Taking my hairspray, I actually did not use this hairspray to set my face, I used the Suave one because it just had a little bit of a finer mist. Now, normally I would not recommend at all using hairspray to set your makeup because the alcohol content will dry out your skin, but your skin is already dry, plus you need that sticky consistency to keep that there. Alright, so here's another option for lips. Here's the bare minimum lip thing. Just do a little bit of black in the center of your mouth, and then go back over it with baby powder to get that really gray color. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching.